What I want to do today is superimpose these three moon pictures on top of the sun picture. And this is just going to demonstrate how we can put additional images on top of another in Photoshop. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this image in Photoshop. I know that I'm going to open all four of these images in Photoshop eventually, so I can do it all at once or I can do it individually. I'm going to do it all at once for now, and then I'll switch back and show you how to do it individually. So I'm just going to hold down my mouse button, the left button, and then drag the mouse across all four of those pictures and they'll turn that blue color. And then right click in the blue area and click open. And you'll see that it has a little Photoshop icon. That's because my default program for opening these kind of files is Photoshop. So then it opens them all, and all four of them show up in a different tab along the top here. So if I click on that one, there's the sun, there's the full moon, there's the waxing and a waning moon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our base photo, and that's this one. I want to make sure that I have my cursor over here in the top left on that move icon, the very top move icon. Now the first picture I'm going to move in there is this full moon. So you'll see that right by my cursor there's that little plus looking thing. That's the move icon. And if I click my mouse button and hold it down, keep holding, then keep holding, and then it opens that picture, but you're still holding onto the mouse button, and then you come and you drop it onto that photo. So the key to this is holding down that mouse button that entire process. If you don't, it's going to drop your photo in outer space or something. It's not going to make it disappear or anything. It's just it won't show up on this picture because you didn't drag it onto the picture. And so that is how I've dropped it. Now I can pull those corners and I can manage them however I want. So that's the first picture. Let's practice it again. So this one is, I want to superimpose this picture onto that same sun image. So I still have the little plus sign move icon right by my cursor. I click down my left button on my mouse, drag it up to this one so that it opens that other picture, and then I come and drop it on there. And it sometimes does resize those again, and all you have to do is go in and select them and resize them. And so that's the second picture. And then we'll get that third picture on there. Do the same thing, hold, open the picture, hold, and drop. And I don't know why it resizes those again, so it might be worth it to just wait and resize them when you have them all superimposed on the photo. So those are some of the things that you can do to get those pictures where you want them to be. Now I want to go back and I'll show you how to do them individually. I'm going to just close down Photoshop. Let's go photo and exit. And it's going to ask me if we want to apply all of the changes we made, and we won't because we're not saving it. And so we're back to where we started. So if I want to do them one by one and the clicking and selecting them all for some reason doesn't work for me, just double click on the bottom picture and then it's going to open in Photoshop. And you see there's only one tab up here because we only opened the one image. So now you can go up here into the top left and click File and Open, and then select the first photo and open. Now you've got two tabs, and do the same with the other two. Open, select the second moon picture. Now you have three tabs, and then you can go File, Open, and get that fourth image opened. So now they're all opened. And then let's try rotating this one. We're going to rotate it. Just this bottom image is all we're working with right now. And so we've got the sun image. Now we want to drag this moon picture onto there. We have the moon icon. We drag it up until it opens that picture. Bring it on here. You see the little icon by my cursor is a little square photo. And I let go of the button and it puts it right there. So there's the first one. And then we'll go to the second one. We want to drag that one to that sun picture. Drag it on and manipulate its size. I think it was changing those sizes because I left this ring of sizing highlighted. So I'm going to just click outside of the boxes to get that ring to go off. And then we'll grab this one and drop it back onto the sun picture. And then we'll edit that one. So that's how you can superimpose these images onto another image. We'll cover other things in Photoshop in future lessons. We'd love to have you along. Subscribe and leave in the comments some of the classes you want to see. Thanks for watching.